Hi, thanks for joining the Drone Labs. Today we're taking a quick look at the OTG cable for your DJI Spark. This little accessory makes a big difference in connecting your phone to your remote controller. My Spark had issues from day one connecting to the built-in Wi-Fi. I had to reboot it several times to get it to connect, and I would often end up with the dreaded weak transmission signal error, even when I was really close to the drone and I knew something was up. So I finally got the OTG cable. It's about $10. I'll put a link to it down below. And this little cable has made a world of difference in getting me better signal quality. So I'll show you how it works. First, just connect to your drone and your remote controller per usual. I always find that putting them right next to each other enables them to connect a little more reliably. Green light comes on, indicating that the remote control and the aircraft are connected. So now take your OTG cable and plug it into the remote controller. Then take the other end and plug it into your phone. I've got a USB-C here for my Pixel phone. I think you can also get it with a lightning connection. You'll connect to the DJI Go 4 app. The app will boot up, and you'll see it's connected here, and you're ready to go. And that's all there is to it. Once that's connected, you're not going to get the weak transmission signal anymore. You're hardwired connected between your remote control and your phone, and everything's going to operate much more reliably. You'll notice the port for the OTG cable is a rectangle, but the pin inside is slightly offset. To make sure I was lining up the cable the correct way every time, I just took a white Sharpie and put a dot on both the cable and the remote control port to make sure I would be lining them up correctly. Because it could go in the other way, but the pin won't line up and you might accidentally damage that pin. The other side of it, the USB-C, is interchangeable, so you can put that into your phone either way. You want to make sure you're using the most recent versions of the firmware. Here I've got aircraft 1.00.1000, remote controller 1.00.0600, and I'm using the Go 4 Android app version 4.3.36, updated May 12, 2020. This little OTG cable is the best $10 accessory I've bought for the Spark. It improved my signal consistently and has gotten rid of almost all of my weak transmission signal errors. So check it out. There's a link for it below. Hit subscribe and look at some of our other videos.